Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I wanted to share some new stickers from LTL Printhouse that have released this week. And I'm going to do a quick little plan with me featuring these stickers. If you like Disney, you're going to love these stickers because they are Disney themed. And there's some cute like box clusters with the Mickey hats. We have a churro, a Mickey pretzel, Dole Whip, and then some balloons. It's really cute, the pastel colors. And then here's another one here. This is a nice big cluster. Some little checklists. Oh, I like the way they did the checklist. Those are cute. And then some more of the Dole Whip and balloons. Here's the next one. Got more balloons over here. A Mickey candy apple, a caramel apple. And then, of course, the ears. And this one's just like a little washi layered type of sticker. Best day ever. Okay, and then we have a long box here, little Mickey ice creams, and a donut. So cute. So lots of really good clustered Disney stickers. So pretty. All right, so what I'm going to do with these is I'm just going to decorate a spread featuring them because I really like these little clustered stickers because they make making a spread very, very easy. So that's what I'm going to do in here. And then definitely check out LTL Printhouse. I have them linked down in the description. And they have other stickers too if you like more of this like Disney themed stuff. There's other things too. Definitely check them out. All right, so let's see. Let's do this one. This nice. Oh, the popcorn. I didn't even realize the popcorn. That's cute. With the bubbles, we always love when the kids have their little bubble machines and they start blowing the bubbles everywhere. It just makes it even more like magical. It's really cute. So we'll stick that one there. I really want to use the little checklist like this one. Actually, we'll do this one. So I think that's cute. A little checklist. So we'll put that one here. Okay, and I'll put like another box over here. Let's see, how about this one? I'll do this one here. And I got this cute one with the ice cream. I feel like I need something over here, so I'm gonna put it up here. Okay. Let me move to the other side. I might bring in some washi too with this. All right, so I'm gonna get this big one here. I love the little Mickey hat. Put that right here. Let's do another little checklist for down here. And do this one, the pretzel. Okay, and then we have this like banner kind of sticker. I'm gonna stick that here. And I have like little decorative stickers. I'm just gonna stick down. See, it came together super, super quick. All right, I'm gonna grab some washi. And I might bring in some other boxes, a couple other things, but let me grab some washi first. Okay, I have some like pastel stripe washi. It doesn't have yellow in it, but I think this will work. This is like an old washi from the Happy Planner. I just like the pastel colors, so I'm just gonna stick it on the spread. I love all the Disney treats because honestly, that's one of the reasons why we go, is just to eat when we're there. We go on rides sometimes, but it's not like the main focus. It's mainly to eat, try new foods, because there's always different foods there, like different menus that we can try. Especially right now during the holidays, they have a bunch of food that's themed for the holiday, so that's always fun to try. Last time we went, we tried a bunch of new things. Oh, I just barely had enough washi. Oof. Okay, I'm done with this roll. But yeah, we tried a bunch of new foods, some savory stuff and sweet stuff and all that. And yeah, it's just nice to try new things. All right, I'm just gonna grab some, I feel like I want to grab purple, so I'm gonna grab some purple boxes and just put some purple on the spread. Just because I feel like I need a couple of things on here. So we're just gonna stick this over here just to fill in some space. I have to stick something here. Let's see. I have this as an option. Actually, this is kind of cute. I don't think it'll fit completely. And then I have this one. I really like this one because I like the little awning on it. So we'll see how this will work here. I might have to cut off some pieces, but we're just gonna stick this here on top. Oh, actually that works. Okay. And then cut this off a little bit. The Dole Whip. Dole Whips. I love Dole Whips. They're so yummy. Oh, there's churro. I didn't see this churro. Let's stick the churro down. Let's see. Stick some churros here. Okay. Yeah, that helps. And then I'm just gonna get some bullet points just to stick some bullet points around the spread. But yeah, it's mainly about the food for us. Thankfully, my nephew, I mean, he's not really into the food too much, but he's pretty chill. Like, he's not wanting to go on too many rides, and then the rides he does want to go on are pretty quick. Like, they usually don't have a long line, which is nice because we don't want to wait in line too long. So like, he likes going on like Small World. He loves Jungle Cruise. He likes the teacups too, and like any of the like easy rides. He's not into any of the fast rides or the scary rides. I mean, they don't really have a lot of scary rides there, but like, he won't go on Space Mountain. He won't go on like anything that's like a roller coaster type, which is a bummer because there's some that I really like going on, but he won't go on them. And we're not gonna, we've gotten him to go on them just to try it out, but he doesn't like them, so we're not gonna make him, you know, go on them again. So yeah, but we still have fun eating and doing all those things. You know, actually, I want to put these dots there. But for the most part, the spread is pretty done. It looks really cute. I love all the Mickey touches and the food touches on here. It's fun. Lots of fun. Okay, that's gonna be the spread. All right, so again, these stickers are available right now to purchase if you are interested. LTL Printhouse is linked down in the description. I believe I have a code too if you want to use that as well. But yeah, that is my spread using these new stickers. They're called Summer Magic Layers. Summer Magic Layers. Oh, nice. From LTL Printhouse. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.